It's a little button.
Yeah, I got it. I think it's I think it's recording. I think I'm gonna say it's recording. So future generations know what we went through to set this art show up.
Okay, this is jam.
You want me to take a look at it? Here. Here, I can fix it. As I get closer and closer, we'll switch.
That was a very...
I am recording this whole thing. Here.
I have like 7 jammed.
To get it to fling open. It wants to fuck you back too. Oh, I could use it. Ow! Ow! Injury.
Did it eat your finger?
Yeah, I just have to get this one on.
Undid. How did you break it? I'm Karissa. I don't know how to use a stapler. I only got not even half of it done. I got there. Stop.
It's almost...
It attached it to your muffin. It stabbed your muffin.
Okay, I'm almost got it. Kinda, sorta, almost, not really got it. So it's probably what's wrong. I'm not like trying to finger a stapler.
Ooh, baby.
Oh my god!
Can you try squeezing it?
We have a jam that we cannot get undone.
It ate the staple.
So
Oh, never mind. I think I just got it.
I'm the jam doctor.
Yeah.
It unate it. Here's this piece. See if it works. You kidding me?
I think we should just try getting it in the paper.
Wait.
Yeah. She needs a stapler if you can get it to...
Okay.
It keeps jamming.
It's not...
It might be okay now.